Cough syrup danger. WHO issues warning. Over 300 children died in multiple countries after consuming contaminated cough syrups with toxic chemicals like diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. These industrial chemicals, found in antifreeze, were illegally used in medicines and led to kidney failure, seizures, and death. Check the manufacturer and WHO alerts before buying. Avoid products from unverified brands and report any suspicious medicines. Before you take another dose, make sure it's safe. Share this video to spread the warning.